Today's high-end toaster ovens are mini-me versions of full-size ovens, and they're useful for so much more than making toast. They preheat in just a few minutes and can do everything from reheating leftovers to baking a cake. Larger toaster ovens can even roast a beautiful, golden brown chicken.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best toaster oven in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Breville Compact Smart Toaster Oven. Electronic controls and preset cooking programs for bagels, cookies and pizza make the Breville Compact Smart Oven super easy to use. It browned toast quickly, baked a beautiful cake and roasted tender potatoes and chicken in our tests. A non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze. We found the control panel to be very intuitive, and the stainless steel design feels solid. And we're not the only ones that think so. This toaster oven has a 4.6-star rating on Amazon from more than 4,000 reviews. And it ships within 2 days, if you have Prime. Take note that this toaster oven only fits 4 slices of bread, compared to other models we tested with 6 to 9 slice capacities. Number 2. Flash Express Compact Toaster Oven. Though we have not tested this oven in our lab, it is highly rated on Amazon with over 6,000 5-star reviews. It's compact, it will fit a 9-inch pizza, so it's ideal for small kitchens or big kitchens with limited counter space. It features preset cooking times for toast, waffles, rolls and frozen foods like pizza and hash browns. We like that the rack is attached to the door so it automatically pulls forward as you open the oven. There is also an auto shutoff to stop the toaster oven after the cooking time is over to prevent burning. Keep in mind that the oven will heat for a maximum of 25 minutes, so it's perfect for many prepared frozen foods, but for longer bakes you'll have to restart it. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA 65 Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This toaster oven is our best overall air fry toaster oven because it air fries quickly with no additional preheat time. It made chicken wings super crispy in 20 minutes, as well as fries in even less time. Its power is impressive and it's comparable to the best freestanding air fryers. Just keep an eye on food when experimenting for the first few times to prevent accidental burning. It uses a basket that sits atop the broiling pan to air fry, which prevents grease from dripping onto the elements and makes cleanup easy. All accessories are dishwasher safe. When functioning as a traditional toaster oven, bread toasted well and evenly. A cake baked quickly with just a small dome that needed to be trimmed. Frozen pizza cooked in no time, as did broiled steak. The oven comes with a user guide loaded with cooking charts and recipes. Plus, the oven is programmed with more than 10 settings, 5 of which are specific to air frying. The ability to dual cook is a unique feature. It allows you to program the oven for 2 different times and temps at once, useful for starting foods at a high temp to crisp up the skin and lowering it to finish cooking inside. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. The inexpensive Hamilton Beach for sliced toaster oven toasted bread better than any other oven under $100. This no-frills model lacks many of the features included in our other picks such as digital controls and preset cooking features, but it heats evenly. The Hamilton Beach's humble size makes it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, but it's still large enough to fit 4 slices of bread. This toaster oven runs cooler than other models we tested, so you'll need to increase the temperature by about 25 degrees when baking or roasting. But we think that's a forgivable drawback considering the low price. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you plan to air fry often, or don't mind paying top dollar for a more polished overall experience, we'd recommend the snazzy Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This pricier oven shares many of the same features as our main pick, the Cuisinart, including a large oven capacity, 2 oven racks, and 2 convection fan speeds for more control over how you cook your food. One of the main differences is that the Breville's fan is a bit more powerful and crisps up food faster. It also has just a slightly bigger cavity, and comes with a few additional settings some people may find useful, including proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. However, if you don't think you'd take advantage of these added features, you'll probably be just as happy with the Cuisinart, which costs significantly less. That was our list of the top 5 best toaster oven just for you.